What's up, gentlemen? So today's video goes against my better judgment. I typically believe that when somebody has something crappy to say about you or post about you online, you should typically just ignore it and not even give it any attention. But recently there was a video done about me entitled "The Internet's Biggest Alpha Needs to Be Stopped" by a YouTube channel called Memulous. I was chilling on Saturday night, just having a lovely evening with my wife and cats, when I started seeing some comments pop up about, this recent video that Memulous did. I'm like, uh-oh. This is never good. Whenever you see something like that, you already know sort of how this is going to play out. So I see this video and right away I get nauseous because I've seen these videos before and typically they are pretty bad. And I don't know how, honestly, to develop skin thick enough that it doesn't affect me or it doesn't bother me. I think criticism's never fun. And the majority of the time, whenever you see a video like this, it's not like constructive criticism. It's just to tear you down. And I've had a few of them and they all suck. But I know that I'm a target, right? With the YouTube channel Alpha M and then doing videos about how to be more alpha and how to be, less beta and stuff like that. I realize that that is totally like, I hope you realize that it's tongue-in-cheek, right? The message behind all of my videos at the end of the day is to try to help you feel good about yourself. The message that I try to send to you guys is about, love, respect, and caring, and self-respect and caring. But I know that if you just see like the title, like how to be less beta or how to be more alpha, I know that from, from an outsider's perspective, that looks very like, what? I look like a huge douche, right? Like I assume that I'm a douche if I didn't know me, and sometimes I still question it. So I took a deep breath, I pressed play, and was ready to have my weekend and week ruined because I was going to be destroyed so bad, and honestly, it wasn't that bad. It was actually a relief because the videos that they showed, they're videos that I'm very proud of. I'm proud of the message, I'm proud of everything I say, and I stand by them, and I really feel like they represent who I am and my channel incredibly well. So I start watching this video, and they start going through and talking about sort of my points, and it was funny, it was commentary. They were just joking around and making fun, but not in like a mean, like this guy is the biggest piece of shit ever. It was just fun. And the thing about me, if you guys haven't figured it out right now, I can definitely laugh at myself. I don't take myself too seriously. It was funny. They made fun of things about like my earrings and the fact that I call myself Alpha and my channel's called Alpha, and I get it. I get it. I would make the same judgments and jokes if I were them. At the end of the day, guys, I wanted to just thank you because in the comments, it was so incredibly overwhelming, the amount of support that you guys have given me, and just saying, on this video that was kind of like a negative video, even though it wasn't like super bad, just saying that you guys think I'm a good guy and that I do try to help and you acknowledge that and didn't just jump on the negative bandwagon. I appreciate that more than you can possibly know. To me, it was just really beautiful to see all the love and support that some of you guys gave, because I've had videos that people have done about me where it was the opposite, where, somebody says something negative about me and then everybody sort of jumps on and sort of just talks a whole bunch of mad shit. And this was different. This was, a lighthearted video by two dudes that, sometimes are funny. Sorry. It wasn't that bad, and I'm cool, and I just appreciate you for being there for me and looking out for me, because at the end of the day, I do. I mean, I might do some ridiculous videos, but I truly try to help as many of you guys as I possibly can, and from day one, that was my goal, and that's what I'll continue to do. But there are a few things I want to clear up. Number one, my earrings. Yes, I know that I get it. I just don't care. Number two, the term screwing the pooch. It's an American term, and it's not literally that I am having sex with dogs. And the third thing is that a true alpha, in my opinion, is somebody that is kind, that somebody is generous in today's world, somebody who treats people well. It doesn't mean that you've got to be 6'3", 250 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal. It means that you're doing the best job you can. You're confident, you're kind, you don't make fun of people in a mean, negative way, and at the end of the day, you're comfortable in your own skin. A true alpha is you. Each and every one of your ass. All your weirdness, all your quirkiness. It's all what makes you beautiful. It's all what makes you unique and special. And gentlemen, I think you are absolutely the most alpha thing I've ever seen. Just to throw it out there, I was debating whether or not to do this video because I didn't know if by me addressing it, it would actually incentivize other people to do more negative videos about me. I won't be doing more of these type of videos. I do stand by the general rule that if somebody has something negative to say, just ignore them. That is the best philosophy and something that I've lived by my pretty much entire YouTube career. But this was something that came out actually not too bad. Memulus, I would just like to give you a little knuckle bump for taking it easy on old Alpha. Yes, I call myself Alpha, which is ridiculous in and of itself. Speaking of most alpha I've ever seen, you like those? Yeah, enemy shades. Well, you didn't think I was gonna skip an opportunity to promote something, right? Anyway, guys, just want to let you know there's a link down below to enemy.com if you are interested in hopping on the Enemy VIP list. We're launching this brand, this company in about 2 weeks, and the people that are on the VIP list are gonna get early access. We've got 3 different styles. We've got Enemy 1s, Enemy 2s, and Enemy 3s. We've got 2 different colors in each style. Guys, we're launching with a very limited supply, and so if you're on the VIP list, you're going to get early access. You're also going to get a discount code to grab a pair, 2 or 3, for an even more incredible price. The quality of these sunglasses are super premium. These aren't cheap sunglasses. The price point is going to be right around the Ray-Ban price point. Zeiss lenses, Italian Mazzucchelli acetate, spring hinges, which means it's going to fit even better, more securely, and more comfortably on your face and fit like a wide variety of face shapes as well. Guys, the proportions, perfect, precise, amazing. Guys, hit that link, enemy.com, if you want to get on the list to grab some super sexy shades. But at the end of the day, guys, like I said, I wanted to do this video just to say thank you for all the love, the support you showed in a video that I was a little worried was going to be pretty bad.